Should we swap the letters?
We have high schoolers come to us and they work in our preschool, which is right next door. So I work really collaboratively with the preschool team to make sure that these guys feel prepared and have the knowledge to walk in from day one and start interacting with preschoolers.
This course is really cool. Like, this course has offered me my first job that I took over the summer, and it allows me to like connect with preschoolers at a level where I'm still being supervised, but I'm still getting like hands-on training with the children to like connect with them and like see how I wanna, like what path I wanna take working with children in the future, like whether it be a preschool teacher or a nurse, because those are the two options that I want. So it's just like a way for me to see which one I would rather do. Like if I want to be a preschool teacher or if I want to take the medical route.
You guys have new observation forms. They can earn their Child Development Associate credential before graduating, which is the first time that it's happened in the state of Alaska for high schoolers. And it's pretty exciting. It's a really big deal. They have 480 hours of kid time, 120 hours of instructional time, and they have to sit for standardized exam and be observed in a practicum setting. And that's another really exciting thing that's happened for our program is during their fourth semester of study, our students can be offered paid practicum positions in preschool programs within the district, and that's worked out really well. It's a great partnership for both the preschool program and our high schoolers to gain the experience.
Voices quiet, bodies calm.
It's really helped me like figure out what I want to do in the future. Like, it's just helped me learn so many things that like you wouldn't learn just from like babysitting or like just being with kids. Like, you really like being able to like be in the booth or like teach students. It really helps you, like you learn so many things that like you wouldn't normally learn, and like it's just really helped me like figure out what I want to do in the future, like working with kids.
I would say it's a very great opportunity because like as a student, I'm still being able to get a job in a career that I actually want to be in, and not just like a fast food worker or working at Starbucks, where it's like it's giving you the opportunity to like be what you want to be at a young age and like getting the practice for it.
People want to hire our students. I get calls all the time asking if we have any students ready to be hired. So these guys are ready to walk into a Head Start program, a preschool program within the district, a child development center, and they're walking in with that credential in hand and ready to work.